Welcome to Forward Steps blogs. This section contains questions and answers from the Kerala Service Rules of the Department test conducted by the Kerala Public Service Commission. We hope you find it useful. Best of luck. An undersecretary working in government secretariat has a qualifying service of 29 years and 2 days. Calculate his qualifying service for pension. Answer A. 30 years. Class of journey admissible for a grade to be officer is. Answer C. Third AC. If the train does not have third AC, then first class. In which among the following cases joining time is not counted as duty? Answer D. None of the above. An officer transferred has to travel 520 kilometers to reach his new office. The maximum journey time available is. Answer A. 2 days. Which among the following statement is false with regard to maternity leave? Answer C. Earned leave at the rate of 1/11 is accrued during this leave. An officer having 32 years and 7 days service retired from the service on 31st March 2022. For the calculation of DCRG, his service is counted as 33 years. This is an example of. Answer A. Special rounding. For attending national level championship dash of special casual leave is eligible. Answer D. 45 days. Special casual leave for a maximum period of dash days is eligible for blood donation in a calendar year. B. 4 days. The maximum provisional pension admissible is. Answer D. None of the above. An employee attains 56 years on 1st April 2021. In which date he should retire? Answer A. 31st March 2021. An officer was granted an officiating promotion in the scale of pay of 1,07,800 to 1,60,000 with effect from 1st June 2021. The fixation rule applicable is. Answer C. Rule 37A. LWA on medical certificate will not count for. Answer D. None of the above. Which among the following service not count for increment? Answer D. All the above. In case of transfer, TA dependent family members includes. Answer A. Spouse and children only. A temporary transfer means transfer only for. Answer C. 2 months. At present there are dash number of scales of pay. Answer B. 27. Third time bound higher grade is granted on completion of dash years of service. Answer B. 22. An officer at the time of retirement nominate his friend to receive family pension upon his death. Is this legal? Answer A. No, it is illegal. An officer entered into university service on 1st September 2007 and subsequently on 1st August 2013 entered into state service. Is he eligible for? Answer C. Yes, he is eligible. Which among the following is the senior most rule in KSR? D. Pension rule. For the purpose of TA calculation, employees receiving a pay below dash is considered as grade 4 employee. Answer A. 25,100. Minimum to TA eligible if an officer travelled more than 8 kilometers. Answer B. 1DA. A deputy secretary, as a part of his official duty, stayed in a 3-star hotel of Ernakulam. In connection with this, he submitted a bill of Rs 4,000 towards hotel bill. Can this amount be reimbursed? Answer A. No. There is no reimbursement of room rent inside Kerala. Which among the following is not a compensatory allowance? Answer D. None of the above. Dies non-period will count for. Answer C. Increment.